Suppose you invest $4,000 into a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5% that is compounded daily. What will the account balance be after 3 years? So when we have a problem like this, where we're trying to find the ending amount of some account that is being compounded at a certain rate, we can use the compound interest formula, which I've written right here. A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T, where A, that's the ending amount, P is the principal, or the initial amount that you invest, R is the annual interest rate, N is the number of times that the interest is compounded per year, and T is the number of years. So let's go ahead and fill in the values that we know. We can say A, the ending amount, is equal to P, so the principal, that's the initial amount we invest, which we see is 4,000. So let's write that. 4,000 times 1 plus, we have R over N. So R is the annual interest rate, which we're told is 5%. So written as a decimal, that would be 0.05 divided by N. N is the number of times the interest is compounded per year. So in this example, we're told that our savings are being compounded daily. So every single day it's being compounded. So there are 365 days in a year. So for N, we're going to use 365. And then we have all of that raised to the power of N times T. So again, N is 365, and T, that's the number of years. So we're asked, what will the account balance be after 3 years? So we'll use a 3 for T right here. So this is our equation. We just need to simplify it a little bit. So we get 4,000 times 1 plus, now 0.05 divided by 365. If you punch that into a calculator, it turns out to be a decimal that just goes on and on and on forever. So I'm not going to simplify this portion just yet. So we'll just write 0.05 divided by 365. And then we have that to the power of 365 times 3. So 365 times 3, that turns out to be 1,095. So if you punch all of this into a calculator, 4,000 times 1 plus 0.05 divided by 365 to the power of 1,095, you get about 4,647.29. And remember, we're talking about dollars, so we'll put a dollar sign out front. So this is our final answer. This is what the account balance will be after 3 years.